Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another one. We got the artist. We're here with Talldon and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Remix. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Don't know the song, never hear the song. First I'm gonna listen to the song. So we're gonna jump straight tonight and see what go on. Big up the G's them with another song. I not feel too well today. I don't know, but we just feel a bit under the weather, but I'm still here working, you know what I mean? So let's get into it and see what the G them must say. Let's go.
Pieces 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Hear me, I say, Talldon. How will the bomber clad? Want to the fool, him love it talk. What a thing when them a take a clot. Same time when them a take a start.
How will the bomber clad? Want to the fool, him love it talk.
Pieces 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿𝐴𝐍.
Run it.
Hear me, I say,
Run, please. Rhythm. How will the bomber clad? Yeah.
Want to the fool, him love it talk. What a thing when them a take a clot. Same time when them a take a start.
I ring the bomber clads. Waiting they speak for my name like that. Zero bad boys, flame go start. Big banana, make a dance.
Yeah.
Couldn't need them a chat off. Me have some big gun bad like cassava. Million pieces left your head in.
Hola. I have some big gun bad like cassava. You mean cassava piece? The goal is say cassava piece or cassava. You know. I must cassava piece here, okay?
Flame go start. Big banana, make a dance.
Ready?
Couldn't need them a chat off. Me have some big gun bad like cassava. Million pieces left your head in. Devastation, Hurricane Katrina. You want bad?
Devastation, Hurricane Katrina. When Katrina blew, it left a mess. So you just picture that. Hurricane Katrina was a Caribbean storm. For those who don't know, we mash up the whole place. So that the man a compare the bad stuff.
Million pieces left your head in. Devastation, Hurricane Katrina. You want party? Alright, step in. Me half dog, them hungry like hyena. Shot bunny make you scream like Karina. I make your back flip like ballerina.
I want a bomber clot. From yard man to a Niger star. Them a talk.
Yeah. Yard man them cause bad with sweet dog.
I want a bomber clot. From yard man to a Niger star. Them a talk, them smoke like cigar. With the Rizzler, them youths sativa. Calm down my youth, you don't start my youth. If I clock my youth, tear apart my youth, unpack my youth.
Them love it dark.
Let me ash my zoot.
When the bomber clad, want to the fool, them love it dark. What a thing when them a take a clot. Same time when them a take a start.
Yeah,
I read the bomber clads. Waiting they speak for my name like that. Zero bad boys, flame go start. Big banana, make a dance.
Before you start a war, make sure you know about the art I was sent.
First of all, before you start a war, you can't start war with warmonger. Cause the war now got done. So tell them when I say, yo, before you start a war, make sure you do the maths first. Cause people are got dead. And it's not from my side, it must be from your side. How will the bomber clot 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yes sir?
Before you start a war, make sure you know about the art I was sent.
Yes, I know.
𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈�e𝐎𝐍 fi friend them. And them same pretty face hang them caca.
Yeah, the man I send two girl in the brother. Two girl the man I send because enough of them I love war and love fat catches, you know. Them love pussy, you know, them weak to catches, you know. So when them see two bad girl pull up, dead.
I was sent on to 𝐷𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 fi friend them. And them same pretty face hang them cacas can't find nobody can bury them. Case dismissed, no evidence. Yeah, so me know me a the we get to president. So me stay relevant. Don't care who bump my clock and like me. We not give a damn, not even slightly. Snake in the grass, them moving slightly. None of them never been like we.
How will the bomber clot?
I want the bomber clot.
How will the bomber clot? Want to the fool, him love it talk. What a thing when them a take a clot. Same time when them a take a start.
I ring the bomber clads. Waiting they speak for my name like that. Zero bad boys, flame go start. Big banana, make a dance.
Yo, the rhythm sound like it sound a weird. It sound nice. It sound nice, and them sit on the rhythm like a lizard on a limb. Like the rhythm different, bro. Like sick.
What you know about Saffro beats?
Saffro beats.
Don't know. Yeah. And we out, nigga.
Funke. Bumbleclad.
How with the bumbo clad? Want to the fool him love it talk. What a thing when them a take a clad. Same time when them a take a start.
How with the Bumbleclad? Yeah.
Everything they speak for my name like that.
That's it.
Bad boys, flame custard, big banana, make a dance.
Couldn't need them a chat off. Me have some big gun bad like cassava. Million pieces left your head in. Devastation, hurricane Katrina. You want party? Alright, step in. Me have that.
So basically, man, them a party and I have fun, but them bad back at that. So if it you see such man a dance a while ago and think say some play game, pull up and see what go on. Gunshot up.
Me have some big gun bad like cassava. Million pieces left your head in. Devastation, hurricane Katrina. You want party? Alright, step in. Me have dog, them hungry like hyena. Shot you make you scream like Karina. I make your back flip like ballerina.
I want a bumper clock. From yard man to a Niger star. Them a talk, them smoke like cigar. With the Rizzler, them youths sativa.
Yeah, the scenes.
Bro, I already paid you. What are you still doing here? Man, let's go home, take a break, bro. We get it. Jeez.
What's alright, man? The boss alright, dog. Yo, big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Duty paid, big up yourself. You see me? And Talldon. I with the Bumbleclad I go on, you see me? You see me? Yeah, this song bad, man. This song bad. You see me, I go like it, and I did like it. G, big up yourself. Guys, keep putting out the work. Just keep working, bro. Song bad, you see me? We'll catch it up with the Bumbleclad. You see me? Yeah. But this one I'm gonna leave the one still, guys. If you enjoy the one, I want to see more from it. G, you don't know how it is already, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. You see me? Feel like YouTube kind of shadow ban me for some reason. I don't know. Because my always I tell YouTube about them Bumbleclad. YouTube, you Bumbleclad! No, me I tell you again. Shadow ban me again. Keep shadow ban me, you Bumbleclad. But anyway, soon in the next one. Away the Bumbleclad.